Hello, my name is Jose Aider Perez Molina. Eh, I am 21 years old. I live in the municipality of Suaza Villa. I am a student of the Zootechnics program and I am currently the, the fourth semester. A few days ago, yeah, I was in the municipality of Turkey, which is located in the sub-centrum department of Huila, of Gordon a family. Three were there several entities, including a soccer in game with pe- people from dying what that or family team face. Their day was sunny because it was summer, so the temperature right and the tunnel 5 degrees Celsius. I want to take a trip to the sea to evaluate the versus 2021 session with family as one at the upper plan to create all to water.